G'day, my name's Christian. Today I'm going to run you through the assembly of our CM034 First Cut Rail. Firstly, lay everything out for ease of access. Next, we want to assemble the crossbar and the dog spikes. Start by attaching the dog hinge plates to the crossbar with the long bolts. Secure with a washer and nut, but do not tighten them all the way just yet. Next, attach the dog spike with the small bolts and then tighten everything together. Make sure that it hinges okay and you'll be good. Next, attach the leveling screws into the crossbar. Just get them in nice and secure. You do not need to get them in all the way, as these are leveling screws. You will be using them accordingly to level the first cut rail, depending on what type of log you're cutting. Do this for the remaining cross rails. Next, we want to attach the side rails to the crossbars. Take the coach head bolts and slide them into the side rail. Next, take your crossbars and place the coach head bolts into the outside holes of the crossbar. Secure with a washer and nut. Now with each remaining rail, just attach one crossbar to them. Now with the last crossbar, you want to attach it in the opposite direction on the rail compared to the others. So you want it facing inwards rather than outwards like all the rest. This is because it's the end of the rail, which essentially is the end of the log or piece of wood that you're cutting. Now to join the rails together, take the connect bar and slide it into one of the side rails. Next, take another side rail and just slide it back into that connect bar just like you've just done. Take the butterfly screws and tighten them down, make them nice and secure. Do this for the remaining side rails, join them all together. And there you have it, a fully assembled first cut rail kit. Thanks for watching and happy cutting.